Port Alarm 783, location Pulquendi Road, Barangay Santa Ana, Taguig. 1030 Port Alarm 783, location Pulquendi Road, Barangay Santa Ana, Taguig. Involved Residential. Responding unit, Laco KG need water supply, Laco KG need water supply. Likewise, pakilalayan by Convert 1, Convert 3, location Pulong Quezon.
1070 Port Alarm to Code 5 assistance needed, location Santa Ana, Taguig. 1070 Port Alarm to Code 5, location Santa Ana, Taguig, inbound residential. 70 Port Alarm to Code 5, location Santa Ana, Taguig. 1070 Port Alarm to Code 5, location Santa Ana, Taguig, inbound residential.
Atras po mo na, atras. Abutin yung mga units.
Sorry po, yung mga nag-2-3, address muna daw po. Sorry po, Federal 41, address muna daw po kayo, abutin yung mga unit.
Okay, so yun. Ay, pasuya naman. Responding unit. Kailangan na talaga nilang umatras. Abutin na lahat ng unit.
Santa Ana, Taguig, inbound residential.
Sabi sir, responding unit, kailangan nyo na daw po umatras. Sorry po, responding unit na nasa likod, kailangan nyo na daw po umatras. Abutin yung mga unit sa harap. By trigger 1-3, patuyo na lang daw po. Alpha Charlie Engine 1023, Alpha Charlie Engine 1023.
Taguig involved residential. Patrol units 94 Pumper, Rosario Pumper 1. Is Pumper 2 need water supply?
Bay Highways Pumper need water supply.
Highway Pumper, Black Hawk Engine need water supply.
Copy. 74th alarm, line number 4, assistance needed. Location, Pulong Candy, Barangay Santa Ana, Taguig. 74th alarm, line number 4, assistance needed. Location, Pulong Candy, Barangay Santa Ana, Taguig. Involved residential. Responding unit, Cuervo Engineer need water supply. Location, Villa Filomena. Sa 7 wearing na 1 pip alarm, then 7 wearing na 1 pip alarm. Long Candy Road, Barangay.
1030 na people alarm, 1030 na people alarm 783, location Pulong Candy Road, Barangay Santa Ana, Taguig. 1030 people alarm 783, location Pulong Candy Road, Barangay Santa Ana, Taguig. Involved residential. Responding unit, local side, responding unit, local side. Likewise, responding unit, local engine, highway use pumper, need water supply.
Barangay Santa Ana, Taguig. Involved residential.
People alarm to Code Alpha, location Santa Ana, Taguig. 1070 people alarm to Code Alpha, location Santa Ana, Taguig, involved residential.
1070 people alarm, Barangay Santa Ana, Taguig. 1070 people alarm, Barangay Santa Ana, Taguig. Involved blood.
Next up is Tanker 1023.
1070 people alarm, 1070 people alarm 783, location Pulong Candy Road, Barangay Santa Ana, Taguig. 1070 people alarm 783, location Pulong Candy Road, Barangay Santa Ana, Taguig. Involved reservation.
Tiger 1-3.
Robert,
Guys, lahat umatras na. Wala na talaga. Inaabot na kami.
foreign responding unit, address na daw po kayo. Foreign responding unit, address na daw po kayo. Wala na, naabot na daw sila trigger.
Dahil pinatanggal responding, Abad Santos Bianca responding. Bebad Santos 4. People Arm, Layer number 5. Assistance needed. Location, Pulong Candy, Barangay Santa Ana, Taguig. 70 People Arm, Layer number 5. Assistance needed. Location,
Beyo engine need water supply. Beyo engine need water supply. Location Tabing Ilog.
Villa Pilomena.